chapter 5 class 9 R.S. Aggarwal, coordinate geometry. So first is order pair. Order pair that we write x comma y, or we can write a comma b. Specially we represent the x comma y. Now how we are going to plot the x comma y in the graph? So this coordinate geometry always plot in the graph, and we have the on the graph we have 4 quadrant. This is x axis, positive of x, this is negative of x, this is positive of y, this is negative of y. Negative of y either we represent by the minus or we represent by the bar. So now what will be, this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. What will be the sign of the first quadrant? Since this is the between plus x and minus x, so always while writing the order pair we write the x first, then we write the y, then so this is the x. Here the sign of x is positive, so it will be plus, then sign of y there will be again here also plus, so plus plus. Now come to the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, now always we start with the x. Here x is negative, it will be negative, y is positive, so this is the positive, so it is minus plus. Now come to the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, this is x is negative and y also negative, so this is the between negative of x and the negative of y, so it will be negative comma negative. This will be positive of x, so it will be plus, this will be negative of y. So in the first quadrant the sign will be here, for example if 1 comma 1, okay, so this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant it is plus plus, so this is plus and this is plus. In the second quadrant, since this is between the positive of y and negative of x, therefore it is negative and positive. In the third quadrant both are negative. In the fourth quadrant positive and negative. Now so if we plot in the graph, suppose if all are the positive, if all two number are positive, will fall in the first quadrant. If one is negative, one is positive, will fall in the second quadrant. If one is negative, both are negative, it will be in the third quadrant. Now if one is positive, one is negative, it will be in the fourth quadrant. Now what is we write this coordinate as a coordinate or order pair, that is x comma y. We named another name of this. This is the x axis and this is y axis. Now we have the again each another name. Either we can write it x coordinate or abscissa. This y, it's also two name. One is y ordinate or ordinate. So this is x coordinate or abscissa, and this is y coordinate or the ordinate. So now it is the exercise on the plane of the graph paper. Draw x, there is xox and yox, means draw the x axis and the y axis. O is the origin in the middle one. As the coordinates are as coordinate axis, and plot each of the following point. First, this is given 5, 3. We have to plot all these points in a one graph paper. This is A 5, 3, B 6, 2, C minus 5, 3, D 4, minus 6, E minus 3, minus 2, that is F minus 4, G 3 minus 4, H 5, 0, I 0, 6, J minus 3, 0, K 0, minus 2, that is O 0, 0. We have to plot in the graph. So check the highest power. So let's check the highest number. What is the highest number? Here we have the highest number 6 for the positive and negative also 6. So we are going to take the one small box as a 1 unit, and we have the both positive as well as negative, so we have to take from the middle. So draw the line for all the quadrant. You are supposed to draw with a pencil, but it will be not visible, that's why I am using the pen. This is x-axis. This will be y-axis. I am taking at the middle. So the middle one will be origin, so there is 0. Once this is the one small box, this up to this much, 1 2 3 4 5, this is 6 7 8. We have the 6 highest, so this is, now this is the positive, this is x-axis, x positive. Either you can write capital X, already they mentioned capital X, and this is the x dash. This will be x dash, means negative of x. 0 minus 1, this will be minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7. This side will be negative of y, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we don't have 9, so it will be y, capital Y, and the downside will be negative, that is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8 will be enough. So it will be negative of y, then capital Y dash. So you already make the scale division. Now we are going to plot the a. What is the a? 5, 3. Always start with the x-axis. So what is a 5, 3? That's the x-axis. Go to the x-axis. This is the x-axis up to 5. 5, how much? 3. So come up to the 3. 1 2 3. So this is a. 5, 3. Now come to B, 6, 2. Where 6? This is 6. It will go up to 2. 1 2. So this will be B, 6, 2. After B, come to the C, minus 3. X is minus 5, 3. X is minus 5. So this is y, x negative of x. This is 5 minus 5. Up to how much? 3. 3 is positive or negative? Positive. So it will go upside. If it is negative, it will go downside. So this is 5 and this is 3. So it will be, this is C, 5, minus 5, 3. Now D is 4, minus 6. Positive of 4, that is x is 4. Negative of y. Y is negative downside, where it is a 6. So it will go up to, this is 6 here. So this is 6. 4, come to the downstairs, down. So up to, this is 6. So this is D, 4, minus 6. D complete. After D we have E, -3, -3. So it will fall in this quadrant. X will be -3, y is 2. So -3, 2 here. So it will be E. -3, -2. After D, F. -4, 4. This is the negative of -4, 4. Positive or negative? It's a positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be here. Sorry, 4, 4 is correct. 4, -4, and it will go off. So it will be here. See, this is the 4. So F, that is -4, 4. Next, Z, 3, -4. 3 is positive. 3 positive of X, -4 it's negative. So go downside. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is Z. Z, 3, -4. Next, H, 5, 0. X is 5, 0. So whenever it's 0, it will lie on a line, on an axis. So this is H, 5, 0. Next, 0, 6. X is 0, y is 6. So it will go off and it will be here. So this is the 0, this is our 0, and it is y is 6. So it will go off up to 6. So it will be here. So it is here circled. What is the value? I, 0, 6. Now next, -3, 0. X is -3, it will come here. 0, so it will lie here. And this is J, -3, 0. Next, X is 0, y is negative downside, y is 2, -2. So it will be 0, -2. 0, -2. Next, 0, 0. So this is the 0 and this is the origin. We write O, 0, 0. Question number 2. Write down the coordinates of each of the following point A, B, C, D and E. We have to write the coordinate. Already the graph is given. We have to write the coordinate of each and every. Now what is the coordinate of A? Whenever for finding the coordinate of A, first go to the A and go to the x-axis first. This is the A. We'll go to the down. So down is -6. So x will be 6. I'm writing it here. -6, now go to the y. Y is 5. So it will be -6, 5. A is complete. Now come to the B. B. Go to the down. It is 5. Then go to this side. It will first go to the x. So x is 5. Y is 4. So come to this side. So y is 4. Both are positive. So this is 5, 4. B complete. Come to the C. X is negative, -3, and x is positive, this side, y is positive, this side 2. -3, 2. -3, 2. After C, D. Here is the D. X is how much? Go to the x-axis. This is 2. Check the x first. The x is 2. Then check the y, -2. So this 2, -2. Now E. This will be check the x. X is -1, y is -4. So it will be -1, -4. So whenever finding the coordinate, first check the x-axis. Check the x-axis, check the x-axis and check the y-axis. From here A, check the line which touch the x-axis. So it touched the x-axis at -6 and it starts the y-axis at 5. So it will be -6, 5. For the B, check it where it touched the x-axis. It touched the x-axis at 5 and it touched the y-axis at 4. So always write the x first then y. So it will be 5, 4. Now come to the C. Check the x-axis where it touched to -3. Now for the y, check it. It touched to the 2. And C. After C, D. Check the x-axis. So it touched the 2 and check the y-axis -2. Then E. Check the x-axis -1. It touched the axis at -1 and it touched the y-axis at -4. So it is -1, -4.